Hey, what's up, guys? VHS Voyager here, and tonight we're going to be taking a look at a new Infected Rain track that just dropped on November 11th called Fighter. If you're not familiar with these guys, they're a metal band from Moldova, and they've been around the block for a while. They have a female lead vocalist, which is awesome. I love metal bands that have female vocals that can do harsh vocals. So Ginger, one of my most favorite bands of all time, Spiritbox, Arch Enemy, The Agonist, the list goes on and on. There's tons of amazing female-led metal bands. And yeah, so I like a lot of their older stuff. Some songs are hit or miss for me, but overall it's a solid band. So I'm interested to check out this new track, Fighter, which is from their upcoming new album, Ecdysis. I think that's how you say it, which will be releasing at the start of January of next year, so just a few months away. So without any further ado, let's just jump on into it. Let's see what we got. Okay. That one's giving me some like OTEP vibes. It's a lot of jewelry. Interesting guitar parts. A little dissonant. God damn! Some intense sparring. Got some clean vocals. Nice. Okay. Oh, cool part. Oh? Are you gonna bust into a solo? Probably not. Oh? Never mind. Oh, never mind. We got a clean break. I like this. ready for war. Whew. Sweet. All right. That was a great track. Definitely one that I like more than some of their older stuff, for sure. So, yeah. Guitar work was cool. They had a lot of cool guitar parts in there thrown in. The vocals on point. She's killing it. I really like when she uses her clean vocals. I think it just gives it a nice change of pace. The clean break in the middle of the song, I'm glad they put that there. It was really nice. But yeah, no, this is just a solid metal track. So I'm interested to see what these guys have in store with their new album. I'll definitely be checking it out. But yeah, great track. But yeah, that's all I have to say. So let me know what you guys think. Do you guys like Infected Rain? Do you like this track? If you haven't heard of them before, let me know your thoughts in the comments. And if you guys have any recommendations for me, let me know. Because I do get to your comments, I get to your recommendations. I've already done a few, so that's going to do it for me, guys. So until next time, Voyager out.